I wanted to make a quick video on a beat amplifier. If I was to turn this volume up, it gets extremely loud. And there's two different types of alligator clips. You got this alligator clip, and then you got this alligator clip that's round. The one that's round is the one that you want because it makes it louder. This alligator clip is soft, and it's quieter, and I'm gonna switch alligator clips and show you how quiet it is. Same beat amplifier, different alligator clips. There you go. I could turn this all the way up, and that's as loud as it gets. But with this round one on, for people like me who are deaf, this is the better system. I don't know what that is, don't know what it does, but it makes it louder. I bought the wrong one, because I got this kind. My buddy Ron Rosenkrantz, he has duplicate of everything. Got two beat amplifiers, and he made me go out and buy one. But anyway, buy the kind that has this round. What'd you say it was called, Ron?
I'm looking it up. It's in Time Savers.
Well, he's looking up, so stand by. Well, it's not sold through Time Savers, so we don't know what this type is called. But if you need a beat amplifier and you have hard hearing like I do, buy the kind that has this round piece on it because it makes it 10 times louder. Hope you enjoyed this video. God bless.